Welcome to FiberMall. Today we'll guide you through MPO cable types and their specific module applications. Understanding MPO starts with the connector type. Male connectors feature guide pins, while female connectors have guide holes to ensure precise alignment. Polarity is crucial for signal flow. Type A is straight through. Type B flips the fiber positions for transceiver links, and Type C uses pairs to maintain polarity. Let's start with our MPO-12 UPC multi-mode cables in OM3/OM4. They are perfectly paired with 40G QSFP plus SR4 modules. And they also provide seamless connectivity for 100G QSFP28 SR4 setups. Next is the MPO-12 APC OM3/OM4, featuring an 8-degree angle polish. This cable is ideal for connecting 200G QSFP56 SR4 transceivers. It fully supports 400G QSFP DSR4 to 400G OSFP SR4 flat-top applications. It seamlessly links 800G OSFP SR8 to two 400G OSFP SR4 flat-top modules. For single-mode requirements, we have the MPO-12 APC OS2 cable. It effectively supports 100G QSFP28 PSM4 connections. It's the standard choice for 800G OSFP DR8 to two 400G OSFP DR4 flat-top modules. And it handles ultra-high speeds like 1.6T OSFP DR8 configurations. Moving to higher density, here is the 16-fiber MPO-16 APC OM3/OM4 cable. This cable effectively supports 400G QSFP DSR8 transceivers. Finally, our MPO female to 4 duplex LC breakout OS2 cables. These are used to split a 400G QSFP DDR4 port into 4 individual 100G QSFP28 DR1 links. From standard trunking to advanced breakouts, FiberMall provides the exact MPO solutions for your network. For any inquiries, please visit FiberMall.com.